When you have a customer complaining of a sinking brake pedal, you need to get a little bit more information from them. Is it sinking all the time? High speed stops, low speed stops? Make sure you're getting that information on when the pedal is sinking, because there is a condition that could cause the pedal to sink that may be intermittent at times. What I'm talking about is the ABS hydraulic control unit, or HCU. The HCU can have up to 12 to 14 valves inside that can open and close and basically isolate different circuits to allow the wheels to either lock up or get moving again during a correction. When the valves fail, you can get a long pedal that may be intermittent. This is key to remember if the customer, let's say during the wintertime, is experiencing an ABS stop pretty frequently, that they may get that pedal going to the floor. Inside the HCU are valves that isolate the brake pedal from the rest of the ABS system. This way the customer wouldn't experience a falling pedal, which was common on some early ABS systems, and they won't also get the movement of the valves causing the pedal to shake and vibrate. This is absolutely normal, but when these valves fail to isolate the HCU from the master cylinder or other components on the brake system, then you can get a long pedal, because essentially that brake fluid is going into the accumulators and other circuits inside the hydraulic control unit. So just keep this in mind. If it's an intermittent long brake pedal, make sure you're asking the customer when it's happening. This is critical for diagnosing the situation on their brake system. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.